Hello everyone, this is me, Teacher Alexis, and welcome to Math Class. To begin with, let's take a look at this. Did you know that the mathematical concept of the slope is used by everyone from architects to video game designers to keep the world and your favorite games running smoothly? In the equation y is equal to mx plus b, or also known as the slope-intercept form, letter m here is the slope. Why do we use m for slope? You know what? Most historians believe it comes from the French word monter, which means to climb or to go up. Even though we aren't 100% sure, it's a great way to remember that slope measures how much a line climbs. I told you something about the slope because today we are going to solve problems involving slope of a line. Let's take a look at this example. What is the slope of the line given the equation y equals 5x minus 2? All we have to do is to write the equation y equals 5x minus 2, and as we can see, our equation is written in the form y equals mx plus b. Okay, so in this equation, slope-intercept form, we can say that the value of the slope is the numerical coefficient of the variable x. In our equation, the value of m is 5. Therefore, the slope is equal to 5. Another example, find the slope of the line passing through the points 3, 7 and 6, 19. As you can see, we are now getting the slope given 2 points. So we have 3, 7 and 6, 19. Since we have 2 points, we can represent these as x sub 1, y sub 1, and then x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay, so the formula to find the slope given 2 points, we have m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. We will just substitute the value of x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2 in our formula. Let's begin with y sub 2. The value of y sub 2 is 19. Minus the value of y sub 1, we have 7. The value of x sub 2, we have 6. Minus the value of x sub 1, we've got 3. After substituting the values of all x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2 in the given equation or in the given formula, we can now simplify them. We have 19 minus 7. Okay, the answer is 12. 6 minus 3, that is 3. Let's simplify again. 12 over 3, the answer is 4. Therefore, the slope is 4. Another example. Find the slope of the line passing through the points 2, 10, and 4, 20. Okay, in this given, we also have 2 points. We can represent them as x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. All we have to do is to write the formula first to get the slope of a line given 2 points. We have m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Let us now substitute the values. Y sub 2 is 20. The value of y sub 1 is 10. The value of x sub 2 is 4. And the value of x sub 1 is 2. Let us now simplify this. We have 20 minus 10 is 10. 4 minus 2 is 2. And let's divide it. 10 divided by 2, the answer is 5. Therefore, the slope of a line given the points 2, 10 and 4, 20 is 5. Let's answer this problem. Find the slope of the line passing through the points negative 2, 5 and 4, negative 7. As you can see, our given involves negative integers. We have negative 2, let's represent this as x sub 1. y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay, and our formula to get the slope of a line given 2 points, we have m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Let us now substitute the given values. First is the value of y sub 2. The value of y sub 2 is negative 7 minus the value of y sub 1. We've got 5. The value of x sub 2 is 4 minus the value of x sub 1 is negative 2. So we come up with negative 7 minus 5 over 4 minus negative 2. Let us now simplify. Negative 7 minus 5 is equal to negative 12. 4 minus negative 2, this will become 4 plus 2, and that is equal to 6. Let us now divide. Negative 12 divided by 6, the answer is negative 2. The final answer or the slope of a line is negative 2. Okay, next is find the slope of the line passing through the points negative 5, negative 2, and negative 1, negative 10. All you have to do is to find the answer of this given problem. You can use scratch paper to solve, and don't forget to write your final answer in the comment section. That would be all for today. Thank you and goodbye.